All right, welcome back. Multi-view drawing 6, page 125, 9 drawings. We're working on the 7th drawing today. Now remember, this is page 125. There are 9 drawings on this page. We opened up the page 125, section C. And here's 586, the locator. So let me increase the size of this so we can talk about it. You can go through the drawing. Now, they give you the top view. You got to give the front view. They give you the right side view. They give you the top view and the right side view. So you use your transfer lines or your construction lines to bring all your information down. So your third view is your front view. They give you the top view and the right side view. So you got to figure out where everything is. All right. So we know on the top view, from side to side is 2 3/4 of an inch or 2.75. We know it's 1.5 or 1.5 to the inside corner. We know it's 1.5 to this corner here to the bottom, 1 3/4 from here to the back. This is going to be your front edge. This is going to be your back edge. Now, on your right side view, you got 1 1/4 or 1.25. We got 3 1/4 from here to here. Now, it tells you the distance of this up here and tells you at the bottom 1 3/4. So you got your distances for your heights and your depths here. So let's go ahead and go to the drawing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go to my layer properties. I'm going to unfreeze my construction lines, turn on my construction lines, turn off my object lines. I'm going to change my color and my dimension lines first because I don't like the way they look. They're not uniform with the ones I've used before. Go down here and change my object lines. Make them uniform to what we've been using all semester. Then I'm going to turn off my object lines, and we're going to talk about how we rough this in. Now you noticed on my object lines and my construction lines, everything transfers a piece of information straight down or straight across. That's the way it's supposed to work. Everything's supposed to work in tandem with each other. All right? So let's turn on our object lines to show you how everything is supposed to look and work. Now your top view, we know this is 2 3/4 from this edge here. Get my computer to cooperate here. To this edge here. We know it's 1 3/4 from the inside corner here to this edge. And we know it's 60 degrees from here to here and 60 degrees from here to here. It's 1.5 from here to the top, or to this line right here, 1 3/4 inches to the top up here. I know on my right side, I've got 3/4 of an inch at the top. This is basically a 1/2 inch wide, but we know the whole length of this is 1 1/4. The whole height of this is 1 1/4. This dimension here, you can put in there or you can leave out, you can omit it because they don't give it to you in the drawing. On your front view, what you end up with is a basic shape that looks like this. It's 2 rectangles, here and here. This hidden line showing you the inside of this corner right here. Basically showing the inside of the corner. Now, you don't have to dimension this because your dimension of this is going to basically be the same thing as your top view. Now, any questions about this drawing? Let me zoom out and get it centered up. Any questions about the drawing? If so, I'll be walking around. Again, this is figure 586 on page 124. This is one of 9 drawings on that page. So get it done.